Installing anchor bolts correctly is critical to ensuring structural integrity. At LRKD Industries, we're here to guide you through a simple step-by-step process for a secure installation. First, gather your materials. Ensure your anchor bolts match the project specifications and verify the foundation layout. Mark precise locations for each bolt to avoid errors later. Using a rotary hammer drill, create holes that match the diameter and depth requirements for your anchor bolts. Clean the holes thoroughly to remove dust and debris. This ensures maximum grip for the bolts. For chemical anchor bolts, apply the adhesive into the hole before inserting the bolt. For mechanical anchors, tighten the nut to expand the anchor securely into place. Align the bolts using a level or template to ensure they're perpendicular and positioned correctly. Allow any adhesive to cure as per manufacturer recommendations. Once cured, tighten the bolts to the specified torque using a calibrated wrench.